G'day guys, it's Dutch. Welcome to part 2 of the Big Dig. In this episode, we look at more excavation in the front yard and the building of 2 retaining walls. But before we get into that, if you could subscribe to the channel and give the video a big thumbs up, that'd help us out greatly. So just behind the retaining wall, we're dropping in a lot of the concrete from broken up drains and other things that we've dug up during this construction, and just filling it with road base like at that end. That should all compact down nicely and help make the wall a little bit more solid. Well, that is what 3 ton of gravel looks like. And the gravel is going to get used to fill up the retaining walls. How much gravel can you put in retaining walls? Well, I don't know yet, but it's 4 blocks deep over here. We've got the front retaining wall over there, which is only going to be 1 block high. We're still missing the back retaining wall, which I think is going to be 2 or 3 blocks. So a lot of gravel to go in. Best start digging. The gravel is now being compacted into this part of the retaining wall.
I realised at this point that we need an overflow pump out for the pond, so Jeffrey is digging up the track bed to get to the drainage pipe underneath. After deciding that the pipe would run under the retaining wall, we thought a 40mm pipe would be much easier to fit without compromising the strength of the wall. Once under the wall, it would dump into the top of the drainage pipe via 2 90-degree bends. We planted the hedge in the background a couple of months ago and installed an irrigation system for it. It seems to be growing just nicely. This is what the yard looks like at the end of November in 2020. The unfinished parts of the retaining wall are awaiting the installation of the pond and waterfall, and the track will run between the upper and lower retaining walls. Thanks for watching. I'd love to see your thoughts on the project in the comments below. See you next time.